Before the borders were etched in ink, there was Zo, a legacy of the high highlands that refuses to be segmented. Today, we celebrate the bridge between our ancestors and our future. One sky, one soul, and one Zomi family, united through the unique beauty of our kindred tribes. From ancestral kingdoms to the turning point of 1948, we traded feudal rule for the light of democracy. Today, the Zomi spirit reaches from Zoland to the world. We are a global, resilient nation, an enduring power that no border can ever divide. We are the Paite. Wisdom is woven into every stripe of our heritage. Together as Zomi, we carry the light of our forefathers into the modern age. Vaife, our threads are the net that holds our unity. In solidarity, we find our survival. We are proud to be Zo. The Zoo. Our customary laws are the bedrock of our pride. We are the keepers of the ancient code, standing firm for the Zomi nation. Gangte. We stand for enduring grace. Unity is the greatest feast of our people, and our heritage is our strength. Simte. Our bond with this land is indestructible. Rooted in the soil, we carry the Zomi identity in our very breath. From the heart of the 1948 revolution, we are Tedim. Our focus is freedom. Our tradition is our power. Our dialect is our identity. We are the Tangkal. Forged in bravery, we are the resonant voice of the Zomi. We are the Mate, the front beaters. Through every storm, we stand firm. Our resilience is the engine of the Zomi people. This February, the world turns its eyes to Zoland for the 78th Zomi Nam Ni. Join us as we celebrate the enduring power of identity and tradition. We invite every son and daughter of Zo to witness the strength of our unity at Gospel Centenary Hall, New Lamka, Veng Nuam, February 20th, 2026. Be part of the legend. We are Zomi, and we invite you.